Welcome to Kotak Connected Banking Solutions with Open Money. Simplify your finances through seamless reconciliation and stay on top of cash flows. Kotak Connected Banking is designed for entrepreneurs and SMEs. Effortlessly manage your finances to view your balance and account statement on one platform, right at your fingertips. With Kotak Connected Banking, automate your reconciliation, gain real-time cash flow insights, and simplify banking, all through one single platform. By integrating Kotak Bank with Open Money, you can manage and view your account balance and statement in a single window, streamlining operations for greater efficiency. Start by logging into your Open Money account using your registered email ID and password. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the banking section to view available bank integrations. From the list of banks, select Kotak Bank to begin the integration process. Enter your Kotak Net Banking credentials to authenticate your account securely. After successful verification, an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number with the bank. Enter the OTP you received on your registered mobile number and click on Verify. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. You're granting Open Money access to your banking services. Click Accept to proceed. After clicking Accept, your registration for Connected Banking is complete. If your browser prompts Leave Site, click on the Leave button to return to Open Money. You'll now be redirected back to the Open Money platform. Your Kotak Bank account is now visible on the dashboard and in the banking section. Click on the account cards to see more details about your connected bank accounts. Your bank statement is displayed below the account balance. Click on the Refresh button near the account balance to see your latest real-time balance. You can use the filter options to import account statements for specific time periods as per your requirement. To reconcile transactions, navigate to the Uncategorized Transactions section. This will show you all the transactions that have not been reconciled. Click on the three dots at the right end of any transaction to open the menu, then click on the Reconcile option. All the pending invoices will be visible on the left-hand side and the respective transactions on the right. Match the transactions as required. Once you've matched the transactions, click on the Reconcile button in the bottom right to complete the reconciliation process. That's it. Your Kotak Mahindra Bank account is now successfully connected and reconciled with Open Money. You can now enjoy seamless banking integration and real-time financial management. Now, let's look at the benefits of Kotak Connected Banking. Each feature has been designed to help you manage your business finances seamlessly and efficiently. Experience hassle-free, real-time registration that gets you set up quickly and effortlessly. Get immediate access to your account balance, allowing you to manage your funds in real time. With improved cash flow visibility, you'll always have a clear picture of your finances to make smarter business decisions. Access your up-to-date account statement anytime for smarter, faster reconciliation. Experience seamless banking and effortless reconciliation, all at your fingertips. Connected Banking for smarter growth.